Welcome to another discussion series. In this discussion series, I want to talk about machineries. I and this my able man, we are discussing about machinery. He gave me a call. He has over, I think, 100 hectares of land at Idiroko in Ogun State. The man, he wants to get machineries because we were discussing how farm workers are issue, getting farm workers, and how can we make work easier for farm workers. And he told me that they auction machineries in UK, in US, and at cheap price that they can send it down. So that is why I'm bringing this video to the channel. We need weeding machine, fabricated weeding machine. We need it. If you guys have it there, please help us to send it down. I know the cost of shipping is high, but we'll find a way around it. Myself, I need it. If you have access to these things, please send me a mail. Let us find ways to get all these machineries. The cost of getting farm workers are expensive. The cost of managing farms now are expensive. So we need machineries that will make things smoother and easier for us so that we can make profits from our farm. Okay, so another thing I want to ask is, can we get these machines abroad? I'm talking about a weeding machine, the planter, the harvester, the one that we can use to spray the farm. Can we get it abroad? If we can get it abroad, please, my fellow farmers in the abroad, please, can you let us know how we can go about getting it? I have community of farmers that we discuss about this thing so that I can take it back to them. Or for my farmers in Nigeria, do you think there's a way that we can fabricate all this machine? Do you have any contact that you can give to us to fabricate this machine? For example, I only have the contact of someone that can fabricate planter for me, but the price is calling to fabricate planter is outrageous for me. So please, if you know how we can get all these machineries, please reach out to me via mail. If you also have our WhatsApp contact, please, you can also reach out to me via WhatsApp. Now, that being said, this discussion series, you as a farmer, you as an agricultural business owner, which of these farming tools or machineries you really need that you think can help you make your work easier, let me know in the comment section. That is one that will help me take. This is like a survey. Please, I want everybody to please answer this survey. Which farming tools do you need most? Let me know in the comment section. This will help me know how to source for these things for maybe all of us. It's easier for me to source it and maybe distribute it. But my main reason for asking this question is because I want to spread it for the local farmers in my farm location. I want to know the cost to lease it out, okay? I want to lease it out. Do you guys should not think I want to dash? I want to lease it out to them. Another thing is farm owners, farm managers, farm workers. We all need all these machineries now so that our work can be easier and faster. Why do we need all these machineries? From next year, I'm not sure we can get farm workers. Yes, because Naira rates and SEFA rates are already, I think SEFA now is higher than Naira. So these people that used to come before to work so hard that they will earn in Naira are no longer coming to work, because what is the need when this one is down, this one is up? That means my own currency is higher. There will be no need. Just like if Naira was to be higher than dollar, there will be no need for the too much level of japa in the country. So getting farm workers now, it is very hard. Now we have to go as far as Burkina Faso. And even Burkina Faso, most of them, if they come, they'll tell you, what should we do? What should we do? They'll work 2 to 3 months. Once they get better opportunities, some of them will go back to Cotonou, some will go back to Togo just to make ends meet, because now the rate is like this. So we need to act fast before these farm workers change it for all of us. I have 5 people on my list now waiting for farm workers next year. And I know all of you are watching this video. To be very honest, I'm trying my best to get those farm workers, but I'm not sure my best this season is enough. Even me, I need them. The ones that worked with me this year, I told them that they should please, if they are going back, they should me call their brother. They've assured me, but they are telling me that they are not certain if they can get for multiple people because of the rates. So we need to look for machineries that can make work easier. If we have machineries and we tell them that, okay, you don't need to use cutlass again to start clearing, just hold this machinery and be moving around, it's going to weed everything. I think it will be better for them. They will like it, they will prefer it. Everybody likes easy work. They will prefer it and they will want to work. I'm just thinking out loud. That is why this is a discussion series. Let me also know your thoughts in the comment section. I feel we need more machineries for productive, for a profitability in our farming business. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Also, for my brothers and my sisters and my mommies and my daddies in the abroad, if you know where there is to auction all these machineries, farming tools, or if you're my brother, my sister, my mommy, my daddy in China, that you know where we can source for these machineries, please let me know. Please let me know. I know that I have a community that if I tell them that this is where we should go and source from, they will all willingly follow me. I just want our next planting season to be favorable. Another issue I personally am facing right now is management. And I think 80% of farmers are facing. I used to tell people, setup is easy, managing is hard. The management, so if we have these tools, I think farm management will be easy for us for the next planting season. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section. Please contribute to this discussion series. This is where ideas are shared. This is where we all can connect and solve problems that we're actually facing in agriculture business. All right, so if you're enjoying the series, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe, share the video so that others too can come and contribute to the matter on ground. I'm going to see. Another thing is, if you've not joined the family community, I left a link in my community tab. Please go and click on the link and join the family community. From next year, that is where we'll be discussing. Okay, I'm going to see you all guys in the next video.